This washing machine from Hotpoint is a great choice if you want an energy-efficient model with brilliant technology. It has a superb A++ energy rating, a 1400 RPM spin speed, and a medium-sized 8-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. Hotpoint's anti-stain technology removes 20 of the most stubborn everyday stains, such as oil, chocolate, and ink, all at the touch of a button. It works by instantly releasing detergent into the drum before gradually increasing the temperature to 40 degrees and holding it there for the rest of the program. This means your clothes will look like new again without having to pre-treat them with specialist detergents or soaking them in the sink. This model's Steam Hygiene is a handy option which allows you to give your clothes a truly deep clean. Once the wash cycle has finished, steam enters the drum and penetrates fabrics, getting deeper into fibers than just water and detergent alone. This eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and removes pesky allergens. So, it leaves clothes incredibly fresh, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin. If you want an energy-efficient model with brilliant technology, this washing machine from Hotpoint is a great choice.